斯普星 Cosmetic Machinery 3,500 liter vacuum homogenizing emulsifier, double hydraulic cylinder lifting up video display. Wall scraper, architecture mixing， 速度能稍微调快一点。Two-way mixing, one side in the anti-clockwise, center pedal in the anti-clockwise, wall scraper on the side, main kettle in the clockwise. Two-way mixing control to maximally improving the mixing efficiency. This is the inline homogenizer protecting system. Once there is no enough cooling water entering into the mechanical sear, this inline homogenizer will never wake up for working. Vacuum pump in operating, the light on. Our vacuum pump starts running. Split type water ring 2-stage vacuum pump. Menu releasing the air breather to release the negative pressure in vacuum inside the tank. Vacuum 是的，我们现在就可以开了，可以打开了。Now we can open the main top.